Okay, welcome to Bestoria City. I believe if you get your EVs and IVs up, this guy will give you a silk scarf. Yeah. Oh, you have to feed it paw things. I don't do that, so. There's a few berries over here. There's Pearson. There's Pearson berries. And there's Nana berries over here. Really not of interest to me right now. But I'm just gonna get them. Okay. What do you say we go to the gym? Let me switch out to Shadow Bolt here. Okay. What's this? Brother? How come you plow into me every time we meet? Okay, round, I believe 5 or 6. I lost track. Okay, starts off with a level 34 Staravia, which is actually a pretty strong Pokemon. I'm under-leveled since I have my full team with me. Okay. It's a double team mode, so watch out for that. It really shouldn't be that hard to kill. Next on his roster, Buizel. I don't know why he sent that out just now. Maybe he was trying to get my Green Day back in, so he could switch out to his Monferno. Probably what he's going for, but I'm just gonna switch out anyway. Buizel is just a pushover, just like Rosaria, which is gonna be his last Pokemon that he sends out, but it's not his name. Okay. Monferno has a seal on it. Okay. Monferno might cause a little bit of trouble. If you're like me. Then yeah, he'll cause a little bit of trouble. Like using one lure and dying. This team is just a pushover. If you're struggling with this battle, then I don't think you're ready for the gym. Yeah, I did raise my Pokemon to be tough. Now kill this thing. Okay, that's Brother for you. Okay, I did a level 32. I'm trying to evolve my Fireball, which evolves at level 40. If you want to, you can go young, but as you can see, my team didn't really take a hit, so I'm looking good. Okay, coming into the gym. This got a makeover. No. This didn't get a makeover. I don't know what I'm saying. Press the orange button over there so you can come over here and get in here. Fight this battle right here. First battle. I'm so lucky I had my Green Day out there, even though I need to train my Shadow Bolt. I'm just gonna put Shadow Bolt up there. Now we have a sailor to battle. Any day now. I truly recommend you fight every single trainer here because it's good experience for the battle. Wake's Pokemon aren't anything to mess with. They're very strong. No, I don't think you should. Okay, there's another tuber right here. As you can see, the trainers here have strong Pokemon, so you can only imagine what kind of Pokemon the gym leader has. Okay, hit the green button, come over here and hit this orange button, not the other orange button, or you're gonna be trapped. And we have one last trainer. This one, a sailor. Okay, hit the blue switch and crash your waves. We'll be waiting for you. But I recommend you go heal and save. Do all that good stuff before you battle him. Destroy a City has really changed actually. Since Diamond and Pearl. You might want to go buy some healing items in the Pokemon, which is for some reason all the way down here. And I'm gonna go here. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.